Have you ever traveled to another country and needed to exchange your money for local currency? Perhaps you visited a bank or currency exchange counter at an airport to convert dollars into euros or yen. That's your first interaction with the world of foreign exchange, or Forex for short. But what if I told you that this simple act of exchanging money is part of a global financial market that trades over $7.5 trillion every single day? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the fascinating world of Forex trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the world's largest financial market where currencies are bought and sold. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders from around the globe to participate at almost any time. But Forex trading isn't just about travelers exchanging currencies. It's a market where individuals, institutions, and governments trade currencies to make a profit. In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, the Euro-USD represents the euro versus the US dollar. If you believe the euro will strengthen against the dollar, you might buy the Euro-USD. On the other hand, if you think the euro will weaken, you might sell the pair. Many traders participate in Forex through a tool called contracts for difference, or CFDs. With CFDs, you don't actually own the currency you're trading. Instead, you're speculating on whether the price of a currency pair will go up or down. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine the Euro-USD is currently trading at $1.10. You believe the euro will rise in value, so you decide to buy a CFD contract. If the price moves up to $1.105, you've made a profit from the 50 pip increase. When you buy or go long on Euro-USD, it essentially means borrowing at the current price of $1.10. If the price moves higher, say to $1.105, you can return the borrowed amount at $1.10 and keep the profit from the difference. Similarly, if you believe the price will drop, you can sell or short the contract. Here, you borrow at $1.10 and return it at a lower price, such as $1.095, profiting from the difference. This illustrates the flexibility of Forex trading, allowing you to benefit in both rising and falling markets. However, Forex trading isn't without risks. Price movements can be unpredictable, and leverage, while a powerful tool, can amplify both your gains and losses. This is why it's crucial to educate yourself, practice on demo accounts, and manage your risks carefully. So, that's a brief introduction to Forex trading. From exchanging money at an airport to trading Euro-USD through CFDs, the Forex market offers exciting opportunities for those willing to learn and practice. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the tools and strategies you can use to become a successful trader. This video is part of MillionAlgo's Roadmap Learning series, designed to help traders gain the knowledge and confidence they need to succeed. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and visit our website at MillionAlgo.com for more resources and tools to enhance your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, every successful trader starts with a solid foundation. Keep learning, keep practicing, and happy trading.